How to create a new dashboard in Tracker RMS. You'll need to make sure that you're viewing a current dashboard. Does not matter which one, but to get there, you'll hover over Home, hover over My Dashboards, and choose any one that you have here. Once you're inside the dashboard, over on the right-hand side, you'll have a New Dashboard button. Go ahead and click on that to start creating your new dashboard. Once we get to the new creation page, over on the right-hand side, you're going to have places that you can add your different widgets, reports, or views that you've created to this new dashboard. The first tab is the widgets, which are all pre-built by us that you can add. So you can see here, if you click on General, you can click on the green plus next to any options that you would like. So if you'd like to get some performance widgets in here, like new jobs created, you can click on that green plus. If you'd like to see your jobs won, you can click on that green plus as well. Any of these other options that you would like, performance under candidate or activity, any of these options, all you need to do is hit that green plus. Once you've added what you like, you can drag and drop those pieces around to situate them better for your view. Now that I've added widgets, I can click on Reports. If I click on the Report section here, this will give me all the reports that have been created and shared inside Tracker. So here, I can add maybe my open jobs by stage. This will give me all the jobs that I've created and what stage that they're in since they're open. You can adjust the sizes of these different panels. So for the reports, if you click on the sprocket, you then have the square option here all the way to the right, where you can decide how large you would like this panel to be. So here, if I go down to 3 by 2, you'll see that this has stretched this out to be a bit bigger so I can get a better view. If you'd like to change that, you can click on that button again, and then go ahead and click on a different option here to make it a different size. Once I've added all the reports that I like, I can then move on to my views, and I can add any views that I've created. So if I want to see all my inbound texts, I can click on that green plus, and it will show me all the inbound text that I have. Now these are activity views that I've created on my own by going to Activities, filtering, and creating that view. If you need help learning how to create a view, please do search our help files for how to create a view, and you'll see and learn how to do that. Now that I have these different widgets and things added on here, I can drag and drop them in here into any section that I would like. I showed you how to resize, but you can also color code these as well. So if you move on over to the middle, there's a color drop in the middle, and if I click on that, that'll change the color of the heading. This might just give us a better way to see and make things a little bit brighter to catch your eye. Any changes that you make from this menu here, the option will change into a save icon, so you'll then click on that to save that color. Instead of inbound texts, if you'd like to change the name of it, you can click on the pencil, highlight this, change the name, and it will change the name of the heading here. Again, any changes that I make, I want to now hit that save icon in order to keep it that way. Now, this is your dashboard, so you can do whatever you would like with it, add more parts, remove parts, whatever you would like. But once you're ready to go, you'll move over to the right-hand side here and click on Save. You can then name the dashboard, and then decide if you'd like to make this a default. So what that means is if your home screen is defaulted to a dashboard, it will set this dashboard as the default, so when you log in, you'll see this one first. You can turn that on by clicking on that toggle. If you'd like to share this dashboard with anybody on your team, if you click into here, you will see all your colleagues listed. You'll be able to share it with as little or as many people as you want. Once I hit Save, this dashboard will then be available either when I hover over Home and go to My Dashboards here, or if I'm inside of a dashboard already, I can click in this drop-down menu to see all the dashboards I've created as well as anything that's been shared with me.